Hey there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner on the internet where we turn everyday homes into spaces you absolutely love coming home to. I'm so glad you're here today because we have such a special video lined up. We're diving deep into peak summer farmhouse style, the kind of timeless, breezy, beautiful decorating that makes your whole home feel like a warm hug on a sunny afternoon. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so you never miss a single idea. And if you've been with us for a while, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite summer decor vibe. I read every single one. Now let's get started. They say you never get a second chance at a first impression, and your home's facade is living proof of that. For peak summer farmhouse curb appeal, think white or soft cream board and batten siding paired with a bold black front door. That classic contrast is timeless for a reason. Hang a simple wreath of dried cotton stems or preserved eucalyptus above your door knocker. Window boxes overflowing with trailing vines, lavender, or white geraniums add that cottage garden freshness. A rustic wooden house number plaque and a lantern-style porch light complete the look effortlessly and elegantly. Your entryway sets the whole tone for your home, so let's make it count. Start with a shiplap accent wall painted in warm white. This is your backdrop for everything. A wall-mounted coat and hat rack with vintage iron hooks keeps outerwear organized beautifully. Below it, tuck in a narrow shoe cabinet in natural oak or painted chalk white, topped with a small tray for keys. Add a cushioned bench or a reclaimed wood stool for easy shoe changes. A round mirror with a distressed wood frame bounces light, and a natural jute mat or a hand-lettered welcome mat at the door seals the inviting look. The farmhouse living room in summer is all about that effortless, relaxed sophistication, what designers call casual elegance. Start with a neutral linen or cotton slipcover sofa in warm ivory or oatmeal. Layer in soft blue, sage green, or sun-bleached terracotta throw pillows for that seasonal pop. A reclaimed wood coffee table grounds the space beautifully. Style it with a galvanized metal tray holding a candle, a small vase of fresh wildflowers, and a couple of woven coasters. Sheer white curtains billowing gently from the breeze. Absolutely perfect. Keep it breathable, keep it simple, and let every piece tell a story. Summer dining in a farmhouse home is meant to feel like an extended garden party indoors. Anchor your dining room with a solid farmhouse table. Think chunky turned legs and a thick plank top in natural or whitewashed wood. For table decor, layer a linen table runner in soft cream or muted sage down the center. Style it with a cluster of clear glass bud bases holding wildflowers, a few taper candles in simple brass candlestick holders, and a wooden breadboard for texture. Use rattan seat dining chairs or mix wood and upholstered seating for that collected, curated look. It's effortlessly beautiful. A farmhouse kitchen in summer should feel fresh, functional, and full of personality. If you can, go for painted cabinetry in a soft sage, creamy white, or navy blue. These shades never date. Open shelving above the counters lets you display your favorite stoneware, mason jars, and ceramic canisters. Your refrigerator should blend in. A panel-ready or matte finish works beautifully in this style. Your stove area is a hero moment. Surround it with a simple white subway tile backsplash. And on your counter, a small stainless or matte black coffee machine adds that modern meets farmhouse contrast that feels so intentional and chic. The family room is where life actually happens, and in summer, it should feel like the coziest retreat from the heat outside. Mount your flat TV above a reclaimed wood console or a simple shiplap fireplace surround. Even a non-working decorative fireplace creates incredible warmth visually. Flank it with tall wicker baskets holding chunky throws for cool evenings. Layer your seating with a sectional sofa in performance fabric, practical for family life, stylish for guests. A woven jute rug anchors the space, And a gallery wall of framed botanical prints or black and white farmhouse photography adds that curated personal touch. Who says you need a dedicated room for a home office or a reading nook? A well-designed multifunctional corner is one of the most satisfying projects you can take on. Choose a small, unique desk. Think a vintage writing table or a slim industrial pipe-leg desk in natural wood. Style it with a compact desk watch in brushed brass or copper for that nostalgic, personality-filled touch. Add a small vintage-style radio for background music while you work. On the other side of the nook, layer a built-in bookshelf or floating shelves, an oversized reading chair in ticking striped fabric, and a simple arc floor lamp. Charming and completely functional. Your bedroom deserves to feel like the most restful place on earth, and summer is the perfect season to refresh it. Start with crisp white linen bedding. Linen is the ultimate summer fabric, breathable and beautifully textural. Layer in soft quilts in muted blue, sage, or warm ochre. A wooden or upholstered headboard in natural tones anchors the bed. On your nightstands, keep things simple. A small ceramic lamp, a stack of books, and a single bud vase with a dried wildflower stem. Sheer linen curtains at the windows filter golden morning light perfectly. This is your sanctuary. Keep it peaceful. Keep it beautiful. A farmhouse bathroom should feel like a mini spa retreat, clean, serene, and softly styled. In the shower area, go for large format white or cream subway tiles with a contrasting dark grout for that modern farmhouse edge. A simple rain shower head in matte black or brushed nickel elevates the experience immediately. At the Wastafel, your vanity sink area, choose a vessel sink in white ceramic or concrete, paired with a wooden vanity cabinet for warmth. Add a round or arch-top mirror with a wood or black iron frame. Finish with white cotton towels, a glass soap dispenser, and a small vase of eucalyptus sprigs. Instantly serene. Most people overlook the garage entirely, but a farmhouse-styled garage is one of the most impressive upgrades you can make. Start with the exterior. Carriage-style garage doors in wood look or painted board and batten instantly add authenticity and curb appeal. Inside, install open wall shelving in metal and reclaimed wood for tool and storage organization. A pegboard painted in white or sage keeps frequently used tools visible and accessible. For flooring, an epoxy coating in warm gray or charcoal cleans up beautifully. Add a small chalkboard or magnetic board for notes and lists. A simple pendant light overhead adds warmth. Purposeful, polished, and entirely farmhouse. The farmhouse patio is the crown jewel of summer living, and it deserves to be designed with the same care as any room inside your home. Start with large flagstone or concrete pavers in warm gray or sand tones for a grounded, natural base. Choose outdoor furniture in wrought tan, teak, or powder-coated iron in matte black for that timeless farmhouse elegance. Layer in outdoor throw pillows in stripes, checks, or florals in summer hues. A wooden dining table for al fresco meals, a string of Edison bulb lights overhead, and a few potted herbs and lavender in terracotta pots complete this dreamy outdoor retreat perfectly. One of the biggest reasons farmhouse style endures through every design trend cycle is its commitment to natural, honest materials. Wood in all its forms, reclaimed, whitewashed, stained, or raw, brings warmth and authenticity. Linen and cotton textiles breathe naturally and soften every space they touch. Wrought tan and wicker add handcrafted texture that no synthetic material can replicate. Stone countertops or stone-look tiles bring quiet luxury. When you shop for your home, always ask yourself, is this natural, durable, and beautiful? If the answer is yes to all three, it belongs in your farmhouse home. These materials age gracefully, and that's the point. Color is one of the most powerful tools in your decorating kit, and for peak summer farmhouse style, the palette is beautifully specific. Your base should always be a warm white or soft cream. Think shades like alabaster, white dove, or Swiss coffee. Layer in muted, sun-drenched accent tones, dusty sage green, faded denim blue, warm amber, or soft terracotta. These are your textiles, your ceramics, your artwork colors. For contrast and grounding, reach for natural wood tones and matte black hardware or accents. This palette reads as cohesive, calm, and unmistakably farmhouse, in winter just as beautifully as in summer. Styling shelves and surfaces is truly an art, and farmhouse style gives you the most beautiful framework to work within. The golden rule is grouping in odd numbers. 3s and 5s feel most natural and balanced to the eye. Mix heights. A tall ceramic vase next to a medium candle next to a small wooden object. Combine textures. Something smooth, something rough, something woven. In summer, weave in seasonal elements. A small bundle of dried wheat, a mason jar of wildflowers, a piece of driftwood, or a linen-wrapped book. Always leave some breathing room. White space is not wasted space, it's design sophistication. No farmhouse home in summer is complete without an abundance of greenery and blooms, and the good news is, you don't need a green thumb to pull this off beautifully. In the living room, try a large fiddle leaf fig or a trailing pothose in a simple terracotta pot. In the kitchen, a line of fresh herbs in enamelware pots on the windowsill is as practical as it is charming. In the bedroom, a single stem in a slim bud vase on the nightstand is quietly elegant. On the patio, layer potted lavender, rosemary, and trailing ivy in mismatched terracotta. Imperfect, living, breathing beauty. That's the farmhouse way. Lighting is often the last thing people think about and the first thing that makes or breaks a space. In farmhouse design, the goal is always layered, warm, and atmospheric. Start with your overhead fixture, a statement piece like a black iron chandelier, a rattan pendant, or an antique lantern-style flush mount. Add table lamps on side tables and counters for mid-level warmth. Then bring in the magic layer, candlelight, string lights on the patio, or small battery-powered fairy lights tucked into a glass jar. For summer specifically, lean into natural light. Sheer curtains, open windows, and strategically placed mirrors all amplify the golden glow you love. The accessories in a farmhouse home are where the real storytelling happens, and summer is the perfect time to refresh these details. Think a wooden clock with a simple face above the mantel, vintage-style glass bottles repurposed as vases, a hand-painted ceramic bowl on the kitchen counter. Stack linen-covered books on your coffee table. Hang a simple woven wall tapestry or a framed botanical print on a blank wall. Use galvanized metal lanterns on the patio at dusk. Every object should feel like it has a history, a purpose, or a personal meaning. The best farmhouse homes feel collected over time, not assembled in a single weekend shopping trip. Here is one of the most practical tips we can share with you today. You do not need to redecorate your entire home for summer. The beauty of a well-designed farmhouse space is that it accepts seasonal updates effortlessly. Swap your heavy wool throw blankets for lightweight linen ones in soft blue or white. Replace your dark winter pillow covers with breezy ticking stripe or floral ones. Move your heavier candles out and bring in citrus-scented or fresh linen-scented ones. Put away the chunky knit accessories and bring out rattan, wicker, and cotton. On your table, swap a pinecone centerpiece for a jar of wildflowers. Simple swaps, transformational results. Here is something we truly believe at the Daily House Ideas. The most important design element in your home is you. Farmhouse style is forgiving, warm, and deeply personal. It has room for your grandmother's quilt, your children's artwork, your collection of vintage finds from the flea market. Trust your instincts. If something makes you smile when you walk past it, it belongs in your home. If it stresses you out or feels out of place, let it go. Good design is not about perfection. It's about creating a space that feels genuinely like yours. Your home should be the place where you exhale the moment you walk through the door. And there you have it, friends. 20 beautiful chapters of timeless summer farmhouse style, from your front facade all the way to your dreamy outdoor patio. I hope today's video gave you a fresh wave of inspiration and some genuinely practical ideas you can bring into your own home, whether you're starting from scratch or simply refreshing what you already love. If this video brought you any joy or sparked even one idea, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly means the world to us and helps more people find this little corner of the internet. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration, and leave a comment below telling me which space you're tackling first this summer. We'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!